Hi there. Welcome back to the nature series. Look. We
spotted something cool
we
today.
spotted something cool.
We'll have to take you on a little walk with us
Yeah.
down the road.
We're going to go down the road. And look. What is it? I'm going to show you what it is. Look. The first cherry blossom of the year.
I want a cake.
It's crazy, isn't it? We're going to see that one across the road.
Yeah.
Perch it.
Let's go and see that one across the road.
First cherry blossom of the year. It's very early for them, isn't it?
First bits of cherry blossom of the year. Look. They usually go on late February. And now it's December.
That's crazy.
See
Okay, cool.
you later.